What a messed up week. I'm totally exhausted. I need sugar.
What about some candy?
Yeah.
It's in the fridge.
What? Sure it is. Oh, that's fitting. Heaven is here.
Buy candy.
Buy candy.
No, you have to make the correct start of record from the fridge.
No, I know, I get it. Welcome to Records from the Fridge Part 2 with Heaven is Here by Candy. I can't, I need to sleep first. What are you doing in my bed? Get out!
Your bed is very comfortable.
Get out of my bedroom!
But didn't we want to talk about the records?
Metal! Punk! Noise punk! Industrial. The album is like constant white noise, but at the same time, it's incredibly soothing. And the production is super smooth. No one ever said something like that about a noise punk record. No one ever said something like that about a noise punk record? Now you can do that. This album is like a soothing noise blanket. Nah, it's rather an album for serial killers. No! You can see how it's calming me. It's a revitalizing experience.
No, stop it. This music is not good for your soul. It's not good for your ears. I said it's not good for you.
Yeah, stop. But I mean, why would you say that? It's good for my well-being.
That's it. I'm calling your mother.
What?
I think your son has a nervous breakdown.
With a loaf of bread. This album goes well with The Body, Uniform, or A Bad Day at Work, or A Whole Bad Week. I'm giving it a 9.77 out of 12 rating. It's one of the most captivating and exciting metal, hardcore, punk noise records of the past years.
Can we talk about the cover?
No, we can't.